Hi, I'm David Cope, author of the best-selling memoir titled Cancer, It's a Good Thing I Got It, the life story of a very lucky man. It's a good thing I got it? Who can say that about cancer? Well, let me tell you, as you read the story, you're going to be surprised, but let me share one of them with you right now. When you're diagnosed with cancer, the first thing they do is a full-body bone scan and a full-body tissue scan. And when they did that, they found a massive pulmonary embolism waiting, just waiting. They rushed me into the emergency room and put a filter in the vena cava. It's a wire cage that caught, 9 days later, a pulmonary embolism, a giant blood clot that would have killed me. Knocked me over dead, just like that. So yeah, not only am I really a very lucky man, it's a good thing I got cancer, because I wouldn't be here otherwise. Hey, if you look right over here, you can see that you can download part of the book for free. But I'm going to be kind of like a pusher. I'm going to get you hooked. And then if you like it, you can share the story with your friends on Facebook and Twitter and download more chapters right there. And if you like it, then you can push the final button and buy the book. When you're done reading it, and I want you to be careful because I tell you right now, you're going to be doing a lot of laughing, a lot of crying, and saying, oh my God, I can't believe that, quite a bit in this book. But I think you'll enjoy the ride. And I really want to know. So when you're done, put a post on Facebook and let me know what you think, because I look forward to hearing from you. I love hearing from the readers. Thanks. Hear you soon.